Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. February is the perfect time to show your car some love here at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. We've got fantastic deals to keep your Toyota in tip-top shape. Start with peace of mind. Our Toyota Service Care Package is just $275. This comprehensive plan includes routine maintenance, like oil changes and tire rotations and multi-point inspections, plus 24/7 roadside assistance. Drive with confidence knowing your Toyota is cared for by experts. Need regular maintenance? Our oil change and tire rotation service special starts at just $89.95. Keep your engine running smoothly and your tires balanced for the road ahead. And don't forget about visibility. Right now, it's buy one, get one free on wiper blades. Stay prepared for rain, snow, or whatever February weather throws your way. These February specials won't last long. Schedule your service today by calling 888-289-5948 or simply visit us at conicelliservice.com. We're here to keep your car running like new. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.